Buckle up and hold on tight because this video will take you on a wild ride through the world of ultimate idiots in cars. From boneheaded maneuvers to downright dangerous driving, you won't believe your eyes as you witness these cringe-worthy moments caught on camera. Get ready for a roller coaster of emotions from disbelief to laughter to sheer terror as you watch the ultimate idiots in cars do their worst. Are you ready to see it all? Then hit play and let's get started. As you can see that a white car was coming from the front crossing the road while it was just halfway through. A blue car came from the left, smashing the white car and destroying some of its parts. As you can see, a blue car was coming from the front normally. Just when it reached halfway, another car which was coming from the left rammed into the blue car. Its mirrors could be seen flying through the dash cam and the car could be seen sideways. As you can see, one truck that was going straight went straightly into another truck, which then hit another truck and caused actual mayhem. One truck could be seen driving downwards the empty fields just by the sheer power of the hit. As you can see, a car could be seen going towards the truck, and just when it hit the truck, the car's parts could be seen flying away. Its tire could be seen flying a few meters away. As you can see from the dash cam that the car was going very fast, and then another car came in front of it, and the driver just took a right turn at the nick of time, otherwise it would have been a disaster. As you can see on the left that a black SUV is trying to cross the road, and as it was about to, another car came from the side, ramming itself into the black SUV and turning both cars their opposite ways. As you can see on the dash cam that the truck was trying to go left, but the car's driver thought he could overtake it and go first, but just as he was about to, the car hit the truck and a piece could be seen flying over. The dash cam shows that the driver was making a very fast turn, but suddenly he lost the car's balance and was about to ram into another vehicle. He turned the steering wheel in the nick of time, causing the car to drive into the snow. The dash cam shows that the driver was going fast, and there was a vehicle that was about to make a turn, but the driver of the vehicle, which has its dash cam on, rammed into the turning vehicle. As you can see, a black sedan was moving hastily, and then it first hit the black car, and then it hit the golden car, causing the golden car to drive on the footpath, and then almost ramming into a lady, but she was saved in the nick of time. The dash cam shows that the car was in speed, and just as it was about to go forward, a truck was speeding in its way, so the driver chose to drive into the snow to save himself and the car. The truck could be seen coming at a normal speed, and then it hit the black car and drove away like nothing ever happened. As it could be seen from the dash cam that the vehicle was going at a normal speed, but then the driver chose to drive into the snow. Then the car with the dash cam stopped very closely in front of the car. The silver car was going forward normally. Just then, a black car came in from the side, ramming into the silver car, causing parts of the silver car to fly in the air, and a tire could be seen on the road rolling. As it could be seen that the yellow car was going forward, and just then a white bus was also coming from the front, and it hit the yellow car, causing it to drive into the snow. The white car could be seen coming from far away at speed, and then it did a drift and went straight to the pole, causing damage to the car. A silver car was coming from the left and it was about to take a harsh turn, but instead, it hit something by the road and it can be seen falling. A white van could be seen trying to make a turn, but just then, a red car could be seen coming from the opposite side and hitting the side of the white van, literally throwing it on the side and then driving away. As you can see from the dash cam, the driver was going normally, but just then, the car in front of them made an abrupt stop, so in order to react quickly, the driver decided to drive into the snow. As could be seen that one truck is standing in the middle of the road, but just then, another truck came from behind, hit it, and then rammed into the railings on the side of the road, causing things to fall. As it could be seen in the cam, the driver was going normally, and just then, he was stopped by a black car's driver that didn't know where to go, and he then rammed against the car. Just like a normal day in the out, everything is fine until the yellow car driver rammed into the vehicle. As it could be seen from the dash cam that the car was going normally, but a white SUV came from in front and was about to hit the car. Just then, both of them hit the brakes, but it was too late. The white SUV had already slammed into the car. As it could be seen that the car was going normally, but a car from the side accidentally rammed into the car. As it could be seen that every car was going on fine, but just when the car with the dash cam went forward, the black car's driver then caught up to the car, hitting it with the side. The silver car's driver could be seen driving very fast, and as a result, he ended up going into someone's house. As it could be seen through the dash cam that the car was just standing there, and then another car came from behind and hit the car. The driver is very pissed. After some time, she calls the police, and just as she did, the car from behind tried to run away, but lost its rear bumper along the way. It could be seen that the car was stuck in the snow and a person was trying to help them by telling them what to do. Then he simply stood there and waved forwards and backwards, as another person joins in and started doing the same thing. As it could be seen that the cars were going fast, but after some time, one white car suddenly pressed the brakes just as the two cars behind saw this. They did the same and were saved from a bad accident. In conclusion, while the footage may have left us with a mix of emotions, one thing is for sure. These videos serve as a reminder to always drive safely and responsibly. Whether it's being aware of your surroundings, following traffic laws, or simply avoiding distractions while on the road, we all must do our part to prevent reckless behavior and protect ourselves and those around us. So let's use these videos as a lesson and strive to be the best drivers we can be. Remember, it only takes one mistake to change someone's life forever. Stay safe out there. Kindly subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on our videos.